Cool Brew Luke, who made this delicious PawPaw cream soda for the PawPaw Festival this year. And I just wanted to interview and ask him, you know, how did he make this delicious PawPaw cream soda? How'd you do it, Luke?
Well, first I started with a shrub. So that's a mixture of PawPaw and sugar and apple cider vinegar. And then that has to sit mellow for a few days, get all those flavors to blend. And then while that's going, I have a culture called the ginger beer plant. So we got about half the liquid going, brewing with the ginger beer plant and some sugar and some ginger, which I had previously boiled and made into like a ginger tea. And then, so that fermented, the ginger, sugar, ginger beer plant fermented for several days. And then we mixed that in with a little more water and the PawPaw shrub. And then let that go for about 24 hours, get a little bit of carbonation on it, and then cooled it off, and it was pretty much ready to serve.
And then cooled it, and then you put it in this cool little container. What is this, a little 5-gallon?
Yeah, a corny keg.
Corny keg.
And you can let it ferment to carbonate. I had to add a little bit more CO2.
Ah, it turned out gorgeous, and it smells almost like pineapple. Did you taste it?
Yeah, the acidity kind of, I don't know, that tropical PawPaw flavor mixed with the acidity of the vinegar.
It's really smooth, and I love the fizzy nature of it. Yeah, it was a big hit at the PawPaw Fest. Everyone drank it up, and kids had like shoo them away like flies. We even had to take the tap off so they kept sneaking in and trying to get it. Yeah, but at least it's healthy soda. So thanks for sharing. Thanks for letting us know. Thanks for making this.
Yeah.
Cool Brew Luke.